Uh, Before dive into the session, we will give a little bit introduction.
Okay, sure. Thank you for asking. My name is Ranjana Srivastava. I am from Delhi. I am doing my own business. I have a ladies boutique by profession. I am mother of two kids. Moreover, I am YouTuber. This is all about me. If you talk about my education, so I have done graduation in history honors. Along with that, I have done diploma in computer and stitching work. You can say and sketching also, like painting also. Okay, so many things I have done. Yes, but nowadays I'm doing business in stitching field.
Okay,
Yes, this is
nice to
all
hear
about
that.
me.
Yes, ma'am. So, if I give my introduction, so my name is Balan Singh Kushwaha. I am from UP district Ghazipur. In 2024, I completed my B.Ed, but now I am an aspiring learner of English communication skill. If I'm talking about my hobbies, so I love dancing and being creative. So that's all about me.
Okay, nice introduction you have. So
Yes, ma'am.
yes, now we can dive into this session. You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
ask any question. Yes, feel free to ask it.
So, ma'am, can you know your English spoken journey from where did it started?
Yes, sure. Definitely. I love to answer this question because this is, you can say, big process. Okay. Uh, I am from Hindi background. I couldn't get good platform, so that is why I couldn't know about this language. You can say, 2 years back, my daughter motivated me to learn this language. So, Mama, you should try because you motivated me and my brother always, and then we are doing great in our life, so that is why you should try. And then I have tried, but you are not visible. Okay, hello.
Uh,
Yes,
Now,
now you
ma'am?
are visible. Yes, now you are visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, again you are not visible. Maybe, so just wait, start recording. Just
Three.
next. Yes, so that time you can say this that was not my cup of tea. I thought so maybe I cannot learn this language. This is it's you can say that was barrier task for me in front of me, and but I started my spoken English journey anyhow, and you can say for in Hindi background people it's very difficult, maybe. So first of all we have to grab a vocab. After that we try to make sentence. Then sometimes preposition here and there, conjunction here and there we can use. And like we don't know about this language how to how to make structure nicely. So if we focus on speaking part, so it's very difficult to manage for us. But you can say first I have completed my grammar portion, like basic things, state of being, tenses, models. After that I started working upon my speaking part. And you can say I don't have exact roadmap, I didn't have exact roadmap, but I started with breakable language, you can say. Okay, I didn't have courage in front of other or by voice call, you can say. I have joined. First of all, I have paid for Jostock application, and regularly I tried to join Jostock application because of my fluency, because of my confidence level, you can say. See, so like all are beginner, so like I could talk to them easily. Sometimes I felt humiliation in front of other, you can say, because if you don't know how to make good structure in front of other, or they are good speaker, so sometimes like they feel no, how like they are starting this language. Okay, they are not good even. But what is our, like what are our age, you can say, what is our age? Okay, it doesn't matter for us. If we have some burning desire, you can say, so definitely we can learn something. Okay, by hard working, I am saying. So no matter you are from English medium, you are from Hindi medium, you are from Gujarati medium, but you have some burning desire, definitely you can learn by hard working, by consistency. Or second thing is, definitely I'll say, so consistency is the main key of success. So
Yes, ma'am.
sometimes, like, I don't have much time to do practice with other people, I don't have much time to talk to other people, or listening part, you can say writing part, but only I focus on two part, okay, right, like listening and speaking only.
Speaking.
So only I get time, you can say 10 minutes, just I try to talk with other people for practicing myself, okay, with them. This is my process, you can say. Nowadays also still I am learning, and day by day I am familiar with this language. Now I am able to connect with you, I am able to speak in front of other, face to face, you can say, easily, okay, without hesitation. So this is my big achievement, I feel.
I think, ma'am, it's a good thing, and you just maintain your consistency. And so, ma'am, you have a YouTube channel.
Yes, I
So,
have
ma'am,
YouTube
what kind
channel.
of yes, ma'am. So, what kind of videos do you upload every single day?
Not every single day, twice in a week, or you can say not twice in a week, thrice in a week,
Okay.
sometimes once in a week. Because I am busy in my work always, I have ladies work, so whole day I am occupied with my work. Sometimes I get time, and that time I try to upload my video because of my learning process, you can say. Because if we have something, so first we record our video, after that we can see our improvement, okay. So we are improving or not, we are getting confidence or not, so we can see. So that is why I am uploading my video on YouTube channel.
Yes, ma'am.
Only like it's related to English content, not with other.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think this is the best practical way to maintain your speaking practice and maintain to create a English environment to through create a YouTube channel. Because if you have any compulsion, then we just do every single day. We just keep trying speak to another person. Otherwise, ma'am, the most difficult thing is to speak every single day the other person, because the atmosphere we have is it is totally different.
Yes, you are saying right. We have, like, you can say, we have no vicinity, okay, vicinity to speak, to do practice with other.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is why we have to create some fabricator environment for us. And then we can learn, we can do practice. So now you can say social media, it's boon for us, I feel. And by social media, we can connect easily, we can do practice, we can learn something, because YouTube has, you can say, plethora of content, okay. So we can learn rather than wasting time, we can learn something just for our productivity.
So, ma'am, may I know English language can change your life?
Yes, English language, you can say, English language, I feel not only language, okay, it's skill. It's if you know how to communicate with other, so definitely you will have confidence, okay, in front of other. And in India, we are living in India, so we have social status, okay, this kind of social status and Indian culture. So if we know how to communicate in English language, if like don't know much but two lines only we try to speak in front of other, that time people definitely they must think about us, so they are well society maintained person, they are much educated person, that is why they can communicate in English language. So by English language we can change our personality, I feel.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, I think uh, what type of difficulty do you face at your own age? Because, ma'am, that is it's very, ma'am, difficult physically, mentally, and if you learn something, so it's more than difficult. So, how can you manage?
Yes, already I have mentioned. So if you have some burning desire, so you will have to burn at the midnight oil, like, okay, I'm not a student, I am mother of two college going students, okay, but it is my childhood dream, so that is why I want to enhance my speaking skills, and I want to grab something in my life, because I feel only one birth I got in this earth. I don't want to feel regret in my life. It is my childhood dream, so nowadays I'm working upon these gray areas, like my gray areas where I am lacking, where I'm not feeling confident. So yes, it is difficult for me in this age, you can say, but in like anyhow you are saying, like, I am managing. Sometimes I don't have ample amount of time to do practice, to talk with youtubers, to upload video on youtube channel, to record something, to write something. But anyhow I am managing, you can say, because I feel sometimes I am feeling so exhausted, okay, at the night time, after returning at my home, after returning at my home from my shop, like sometimes 11 o'clock or 11:30, okay, if marriage time
Okay.
starts. So that time it's managing, like, it's very difficult for me. But that time I start, you can say, listening something. My husband always like told me, tell me, so why are you feeling, why are you feeling demotivate, like why are you feeling so english language, it's very compulsory for you, you are already doing your business, you are means well, you can say, like, my husband
There is no need.
thinking is, yes, different, you can say. So always my husband telling me, so why are you learning english in this age? After learning english, do you want to become a is officer or is officer? That is why you are learning. But he doesn't think about my you can say thinking,
Desire,
I feel.
passion.
Desire, it is my
Yes, ma'am.
passion, yes.
Yes,
Even
ma'am.
I am from hindi background, I have done my graduation and all education in hindi medium. But since childhood, you can say, my both brother, they studied from dehradun school in english medium, so I
Okay.
taught them. Always my
Okay.
father gave me order to teach them, so always I tried like nicely.
Okay.
Yes, from my side, this is.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am,
Yes, yes.
so, ma'am, can I know, in your perspective, what is the one plus point of Gen Z and minus point?
Yes, please come again with your question.
Ma'am, do you know Gen Z kids,
Yes, yes,
Gen Z
yes, yes, I
generation? So, in your point of view, what is the first, what is the one quality and one disquality about being a Gen Z?
you can say now they have they're like in front of them social media, okay, so like they are not active by physical work, they are glued to their mobile whole day, like they don't think much about other thing, okay. They think, no, all of uh, things available in front of like social media. So first they open their screen or they can search everything, you can say. If you talk about like presentation, if you talk about any kind of work, like school work, college work, I feel it. But I think it is not good much using. You should, like, they should control, okay, on their hand. So social media, it good things, it's boon or bane both, but both have two parts, like negative and positive, okay. So they should work upon only positive part, I feel. Nowadays gen z's, you can say, they get mature, okay, before age, by social media, like different kinds of video they can like they are addicted to their mobile, they are addicted to scrolling them. So that is why they are not, and it will be affected for their eyes, for their mental health, everything, I feel. So don't, like, don't use much definitely I must say. Okay, rather
Okay.
than scrolling your mobile, you should work upon your uh, something, like you have desire, you have passion, or you want to achieve in your life. So you should, like, they should work upon those perspective, I feel.
Okay. So, ma'am, what do you do in your leisure time?
Leisure time, you can say, I am fond of cooking, first of all, because I am mother of two kids. Okay, and second thing is I am fond of listening to spiritual talks, like Gaur Gopal Das, BK Sivani, night time like Premanandji. Okay, I love to listen them because they are good speaker. You can say in this way we can learn something, how to make good structure in English language, because Gaur Gopal Das is a good motivational speaker, and in English, like so many videos are available on social media for Gaur Gopal Das and BK Shivani also. So I love to listen, like I'm fond of listening spiritual talks, okay, like
Okay.
bhajan and this kind of things. Yes.
And ma'am, you also mentioned that I love to cooking. So, ma'am, do you learn somewhere how to cook? Otherwise, you learn in your family, or someone is teaching you that how to cook.
No, like already I have desire to prepare something for my children, and I am fond of having sweets. Okay, sweets, slow, different kinds of sweets I want to prepare in my leisure time. You can say, because my children also, my husband also, they like most, and I am fond of having sweets. So that is why so many, like sweet dishes. Okay, I like to prepare. But my daughter, she has different kind of interest, different taste. She has salty taste. So sometimes I try to prepare something like delicious salty also for
Okay.
my daughter and my husband. Yes.
Okay. So, ma'am, do you so do you ever try to watch any YouTube video related to recipe, and you just try in your uh, co- uh, kitchen, and you feel so happy that I do it in a very good way and the taste is so good. Do you do that?
Yes, yes. Just I one day, means not one day, so many times I am fond of cooking. So, like whenever I scroll my mobile, so sometimes, okay, easily I get video for cooking also. So, sometimes I try to watch Beastie Kitchen. Okay, Beastie Kitchen. It's she is my favorite recipe maker. Okay, so that is why sometimes I try to prepare something delicious from her by watching her video.
Okay.
Like green mirchi, green chili, like thinny, not thinny, you can say thick, thick, like moti mirchi. Okay, always we like uh, different kinds of taste we have. Like sometimes we fried first gram gram flour, after that mixed some masalas like spices and uh, like what do we call in English, amchur powder. Okay,
Okay.
and then we fried. But I got new video from Bisty Kitchen. So with mungfali and mungfali, like peanuts and onion. Okay, it's
Okay.
very tasty. It was very tasty, amazing taste. Okay, my children, they liked most that time. So, Mama, please make again, like prepare again this kind of delicious things. So I am thinking always, like I'm doing my own business. I am busy in my work most of the time. Okay, since morning till, you can say, 10 o'clock most of the time. I think so, if I am busy in my work always, my children, definitely they have desire to have something delicious. And if they have, so they are teenager. Okay, they have different kind of taste with their friend circle. So that is why always I want to prepare something for them. So no, if I don't prepare something for them, definitely like they will stand in other like in front of other shop, or sometimes you can say what do we call like different kinds of shop nowadays, mm, pizza huts.
Restaurant.
And so in my shop, in my home, every like each and every dishes, okay, my daughter, my son, they prepare.
Okay.
My husband and me, yeah, both, like all of them, they are good at making things,
Okay,
preparing
ma'am.
things. Yes, all of
So,
them.
ma'am, you love home cooked food, not other side.
Yes, yes. Homemade food I like most. Like pizza,
Okay.
burger, anything, but only homemade, not outside food. I don't like
Oh.
outside.
So, ma'am, do you like to eat like fast food and junk food like that? Uh, Pizza, burger, sandwich.
Yes, everything. But my daughter, my son, okay, they prepare at home. Pizza,
Oh,
burger, everything. Yeah, soya chili, Manchurian, everything they prepare at home. Like I'm busy in my daily base cooking, like chapati, vegetable, pulse, okay, rices, okay. So they, if they have time, so definitely they will wish, like they have wishes to prepare something for my mom, because my mom always like homemade food.
yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, nowadays I think in whole country a problem is going on. I think every housewife and every family can relate, and that is gas problem, cylinder problem. Do you face, ma'am?
No, because I am occupied with my work, so no, I don't feel this kind of problem. You can say, because whole day I'm running here and there, I'm busy in work, in my work. So no, I don't feel this kind of gas problem. Sometimes you can say if I have, you can say stale curd, like basi dahi or something other. So that time definitely I faced, yes, but not much.
No, ma'am. Nowadays, ma'am, the shortage of gas
Cylinder
cylinder.
problem. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
LPG.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are asking about LPG. So I
Yes,
thought,
ma'am.
so maybe you are asking about my gas problem.
No,
So
ma'am.
in this
No,
case, you
ma'am.
are having so many things. Okay. So no, I don't have, because I'm living in Delhi and I have IGL connection. So I'm
Okay,
not facing problem. If like people, they don't have this kind of like IGL connection, so they are facing problem with LPG
ma'am.
prices of cylinder
Ma'am,
nowadays.
I belongs to village, and right now, uh, on my um, family, I think this month my sister wedding is scheduled. That's why we need to arrange some gas cylinder. So we just facing some problems.
Yes, yes, all of them, they are facing problem. They have cylinder for LPG. So yes, you are saying
Ma'am,
right.
ma'am, we never thought like that one day we just facing this type of problem, but it is happening.
Yes, we don't know. Okay, so which kind of problem we have to face
Yes, ma'am.
tomorrow or other day? Because always we have to be ready for different kinds of circumstances. Okay, we should be resilient for those problems, because we don't know. Life is, you can say, not full of roses. Life is full of thorns, I feel. But the thing is important for everyone, I feel. So if we are feeling satisfaction, we have something, doesn't matter for us. Okay, like I'm a very satisfied lady in my life. Okay, in my um, surrounding, I feel people always they are saying, so you don't think much about other things, always you are busy in your work. And I am like whole day, you can say I am busy in my work only, and I am thinking about my children, my family member only, not other things. Yes,
Okay.
and they
So, ma'am,
are very supportive, so I don't face, you can say.
okay, ma'am.
Mm.
So, ma'am, Delhi is your birthplace, or
No, my children's birthplace is Delhi, but I got birth in Muzaffarpur in Bihar. I am basically from Bihar. Okay, after
Okay,
getting married, I moved in Delhi. It's been 25 years now. In
okay. So my
2001, I got married. Yeah,
in 2000.
one.
Okay. So ma'am, it's been 25 years.
Yeah.
So ma'am, do you face MPI issue related to learning this language?
Yes, yes, you are asking good question. Yes, I always like earlier I faced because I started speaking with other and they easily like recognized with my voice. So I am from Bihar. Okay, so my accent was totally different, you can say, because like I know Bhojpuri language, I know Bajika and Mathili, so many languages like Bihari language I know. So that is why my tone sometimes okay related to Bhojpuri language definitely. Okay, if I try to pronounce English word or English pronunciation, so that time then I worked upon my pronunciation. I started reading loudly, and day
Hmm.
by day I'm feeling no definitely like I am removing my this kind of tone, you can say, by reading. Yes, nowadays I am feeling good. Not much, but yes, we are from other states, so we have this kind of tone, but not much. Earlier, I had so many, you can say, MTI problem. So much MTI problem I had.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, do you visit your native place in year,
Yes.
or you just live only Delhi?
No, no. I visited, just I have visited in this year in November for my cousin sister's marriage. Yes.
Okay. So, do you feel so natural, or you just return your home place, birthplace? So, what is your feeling, ma'am?
So it's you can say it was so nostalgic feeling. Okay, we have if we are in our native place, you can say, because we got birth in that place. So that is why sometimes we feel so this surrounding it's okay, it's mine, and we you can say we grow there. So that is why like people after listening them, after talking them, we feel nostalgic always. Hmm.
Ma'am, I think it's very a dear diary moment when you visit your own birthplace where you lived your whole childhood, and when you know look at this time, so you feel so happy that this is my school, this is my village, and this is my teacher. So everything is so nostalgic, and I think
Yes,
we yes, ma'am. I think we need to go for in your native place that you feel something different.
yes, yes, it's necessary sometimes. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so
Because, ma'am,
yes, like they
ma'am,
are
yes,
yes, memory. They are our
yes,
memory, you can say.
ma'am.
So
I think you live in a city, so you just live in a room in 24/7. Sometimes you feel that I need to go out. I just take a break. I just go out for a trip like that.
no, I I don't stay at my home whole day. Like most of the time I'm at my shop. Okay, I'm busy in
Okay,
my client, you can say. So, and I
okay,
don't feel this kind of feeling. I don't have this kind of feeling. So I
okay.
want to go outside uh, for weekend or for spending time with our family member. I feel because I always like you are asking, so my feeling it's different. Like I have something always I am satisfied with those things. Okay, like even if you talk about my children, if you talk about my surrounding, if you talk about my city or my timetable, yes, always I'm satisfied with those things.
Okay. I think it's a
Yes.
very good thing, and I'm so happy that the way you handle everything, and at this age you are learning this language. So I think it's very inspiring for the other women who are at this level and who want to do something in life and just complete your dream.
Yes, yes. That is
Yes,
why I created my YouTube channel because I thought so. If I can learn this language, so other people definitely they will learn. So
yes,
just I try to tell them. So if I am learning, I have learned so many things in English language because I'm from Hindi background, and so why can't you learn this
yes,
language if you want to learn? The
yes,
thing
yes,
is important for them, like if they have desire to learn, then they can learn.
yes. I think, ma'am, it's we are running out of time, and today, ma'am, I am so happy that I meet with you, and it's very lovely conversation with ma'am.
Okay, yes, it's very useful
And
for other also.
ma'am, please send me your YouTube channel link. I will see, and I just tell my mom, look at this woman. She is speaking so well. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sure, sure, definitely I'll
Yes,
send you.
sure.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, take care. Bye bye.
Bye, bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you, same to you.